Hey lads, TechScanning here. As we are fast approaching to OnePlus Cloud 11 event, we are getting more and more about the OnePlus 11R that will share the stage with the OnePlus 11 and other devices. A few days ago, we got the official teaser of the budget-friendly OnePlus 11R aka OnePlus Ace 2, revealing the rear design of the handset and the return of the alert slider in the R-series. Now we got the hands-on images of the OnePlus 11R confirming all the major specs. It seems to be the highest variant sporting the max 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, and the Antutu listing of the handset shows that it will rely on the UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR5 RAM chip. Now these are not the fastest as UFS 4.0 and LPDDR5X, but fast enough for a mid-ranger. As I told in my earlier video, it will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The OnePlus 11R will be the first phone in the R-series to have the slimmest bezel curved screen measuring 6.74 inches, which is also shown earlier in a short official teaser. And being a fan of curved screen phones, I think this will make OnePlus 11R one of the best looking mid-ranger. Further, the hands-on image also revealed the 3-camera setup on the back of the handset will include a 50-megapixel main camera, which is said to be the popular Sony IMX890. Yeah, the same one that the OnePlus 11 has, and frankly speaking, it is impressive. The other two cameras will include 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro sensor. Just like the OnePlus 11, the OnePlus 11R will also carry a 16-megapixel front cam in the punch-hole style. However, on the 11R, it will be given in the middle. Moving forward, the OnePlus 11R is confirmed to have a 5000 mAh of battery with 100-watt fast charging support. So you can expect the phone to be fully charged in around 25 minutes. Though so far we don't know the exact prices, however we can expect it to be around $500. Anyway, the OnePlus 11R will be officially unveiled on the 7th of February. The OnePlus 11R seems to be the return of the OnePlus that is providing solid performing smartphones at reasonable prices. What do you think about the OnePlus 11R? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.